Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Chelsea.
Andrew. Okay, so you have key, you lost it completely?
Yeah.
Like that, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
Give me like 10 minutes.
Okay, no
Alright.
problem. Oh, what happens if I find the other key?
It's not gonna work. You have to call us for reprogramming. We go to Smart Learning. So we wanna press right here. Programming successful. And lock, unlock, and we start the car.
Almighty key fob master. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, I'm recording for TikTok. Can I just?
Of course.
Yes?
Of course.
All right.
Anytime.
All right.
I look crazy though.
It's fine.
It's okay, they don't know me. They don't know me.
Yes. Anybody's gonna, you know. Maybe I'm famous. You don't know.
I know, right?